What is up, you guys? For today's video, I am going to show you the installation process of my chambered muffler. On this part of the video, Kuya is already cutting the old straight muffler. I can tell that this guy is really good with what he's doing. He's making sure that he is cutting a straight line with the old straight pipe. And here's the part where Kuya was able to remove the straight pipe. The size of this pipe is 3 inches and to feet 7 inches long. Look at that old pipe. That's going to be for sale. If you want it, comment down and let's talk about it. Test fitting the muffler. Kuya really got a talent with his job. He's trying to make the installation process easier. Now removing the bolt to have a better access and view of how he's going to fit the pipe and muffler. The thing that I liked with Kuya is that he doesn't need to make a sketch or plan on how he's going to make the job done. I guess it's just pure creativity. And back to the process, where Kuya will do the test fitting of the pipe that will connect the muffler. This is Alpan Automotive located in Sumo Long Highway, Antipolo City. Kuya is now making the extension that will connect the muffler to stock pipe also using a stainless material. The extension was done really nicely, and it was done with a professional touch and passion. Kuya is making sure that it will fit properly, and making sure that the pipe alignment is perfect. Kuya is making sure that he's not rushing the process to make sure that everything just nicely done. I can see and tell that Alpan Automotive is making sure that they will deliver quality work and satisfaction to their clients. The muffler is really big and kinda heavy. You heard the sound check video on the first part of this video. Bassy sound on really nice hearing it. Checking the position and alignment of muffler to get the perfect fitment. If you have reached this part of the video, please make sure you click the subscribe button and tick on the bell notification to keep you updated with the latest videos. It's really nice looking at the curved shape heave the pipe extension. TIG welded and done properly. This is the work of art that you can say. You'll get more than what you paid for. Kuya is almost done installing the muffler. He made sure that it doesn't have any leak holes on the segments of the pipe extension. Kuya said to bring it back if the muffler is backfiring. That means it has hole on the segment of the pipe. And now the final touch of the installation process. Welding the pipes, and later on we'll hear the first sound check of this bassy muffler. Kuya called up his buddy to start the engine to see if the muffler is going to make any vibrations. Let's hear the first sound check of this muffler now. That is so perfect. You guys, eargasm it is. Super bassy sound, not too loud, it's just perfect. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure to click the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel.